Page 248, numbers 4, 5, and 6. Number 4. An item costs $4 before tax and $4.32 after tax. What is the sales tax rate? Well, the sales tax rate is actually a markup. So we're going to look at markup because they're adding something on to markup percent times the original cost. So they told us that the original cost of the item, these flip-flops, is $4. So we know that. And we don't know the markup. That's what we're trying to figure, or the percent markup. What percent is this sales tax in this city or state? To find the markup itself, we have to take the original cost from the total that they paid when they purchased the item. So when they purchased the item costs $4.32. So we have to subtract the $4 to find out what this actual markup was from $4. So that would be 32 cents. The markup, the amount of money that was charged for the tax, was 32 cents. So the question is asking us, well, what percent of that $4 was that 32 cents? So we're going to divide both sides by 4. And when we do that on our handy dandy calculator, we find out that 32 hundredths divided by 4 is equal to 8 hundredths. So to change that into a percent, we have to move that decimal point 2 places to the right, which is multiplying by 100. So moving it over, that gives us an 8% sales tax. So this person paid an 8% sales tax on a $4 item, and that item ended up costing that person $4.32. Number 5. Sheila buys 2 concert tickets from her friend. She pays $90 for the 2 tickets. She looks at the tickets and she sees that each ticket has a face value of $52.50. Face value means what is printed on that ticket. How much of a markdown did her friend give Sheila? Explain how you know. And then part B is, what was the percent markdown, rounded to the nearest whole percent? So we're not going to want any decimals on that nearest whole percent. Well, she paid $90 for 2 tickets. So the first thing we need to do is find out how much Sheila paid for 1 ticket. So that's going to be our first step, is to take $90 and divide it by 2. So that means that Sheila actually paid $45 per ticket when she gave her friend $90, because she got 2 tickets. When she looks at the face value of, or the original cost that her friend had to pay for those tickets, she says that each ticket actually cost her friend $52.50 per ticket. So the question is, how much of a markdown did Sheila's friend give Sheila when she said, I'll give these to you for $45 a ticket? So that's the question. How much of a markdown did her friend give Sheila? So what we need to do when we use markdown is we need to look at the difference between the cost of the two tickets. So we need to have $52.50 and we need to subtract $45. And when we do that, we find out that there is a $7.50 difference between the tickets. So the friend saved her $7.50 on each ticket. That's pretty nice. So how much of a markdown did her friend give her? The answer is she gave her a $7.50 markdown per ticket. So that actually comes out to be a $15 markdown. Notice the question is not asking us for the percent of the markdown for part A. So our answer to part A is that her friend gave her a discount of $15. Part B.